looking back on it. 3 years isn't that long. I had fun while it lasted. My only regret? I never took the journals easy, Dad.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя.
It's my birthday! No crying allowed!
О тебе у камина в 6 утра разбитая душа.
Mom.
Все твои обещания пустота.
Thank you.